Hey there, welcome back. Let us solve the SQL problem, article views 1. We have table views and the goal is to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. And here the author ID has the author and the viewer ID has the viewer. So if the author ID is same as the viewer ID, then it indicates the author viewed his or her own article. In this example, we have these rows where author ID and viewer ID are equal. So that implies that the author viewed his or her own article. And it looks like we have duplicates in these tables. So we need to handle them. Let us write some SQL. So let's select author ID as ID suggested by the output from table views, where author ID equals viewer ID. And we need to sort based on the author ID. Now let's run and check the output. We get the wrong answer as we have duplicates in our output. To handle this, let's use the keyword distinct. Here, distinct gets you unique rows. Think of putting together a box of crayons with unique colors and removing any duplicates aside. So that's what distinct does to you. Now let's run and you can see that we get the expected output and let's submit and the solution is accepted. Now let us see a few other ways of finding unique rows. Let's use a group by clause. Group by is similar to grouping together crayons of the same color. So let's select author ID from table views with author ID equals viewer ID but grouping by author ID. So this groups the results by author ID, ensuring that each author appears only once in the output. So let's submit and the solution is accepted. Now let's group by both author ID and viewer ID and extend it with a having clause. Having clause filters after the data is grouped, whereas the where clause filters before the data is grouped, reducing the number of rows processed in subsequent operations like grouping and sorting. And let's submit and the solution is accepted.